Are you in need of converting NSF files to MBOX format? Introducing SysTools Lotus Notes to MBOX Converter. Batch conversion of emails from NSF to MBOX file format. Key features of the software. Export Lotus Notes Domino Server Mailbox to MBOX files. NSF to MBOX Converter Tool allows users to remove encryption from Lotus Notes emails during migration. The software has option to translate canonical email into SMTP format. Advanced conversion options have maintained internet header, HTML formatting, doc links, etc. To download the software, go to Google and search SysTools Lotus Notes to MBOX Converter. Click on the link shown on your system screen. Then click on the download button. Now install and run the software. The first window will appear of the software. You can see here, select NSF Files to add your NSF files. If your NSF file is password protected, then enter the password and provide Lotus Notes password option. The software provides two options to add NSF file, add files or add folder. Click on any one. Select the NSF file. Once the NSF file is added to the software pane, you can view your file into the preview pane. If you have selected the wrong file, you can remove by click on the Remove button. Now, click on the Next button to continue the process. In Export option, choose the MBOX Format option. Here you can see Select Categories option. You can apply date filter. Click on Next button. In Advanced Conversion options, you can select HTML formatting option to preserve the HTML formatting of the mail. You can select Internet header option to maintain the header of the NSF files. Maintain folder hierarchy option is well capable to preserve the folder structure of the NSF files. By choosing All Documents option, you can easily convert all documents files in MBOX file. Doc link option allow to maintain the doc link of the NSF files. By using email address translation, you can easily convert Lotus Notes canonical name to simple SMTP email address. You can also add the CSV. And always remember that file format should be like sample.csv. There is an option called Include Folder for conversion that allows to convert items from specified folder name. Now, click on the Browse button to choose the destination location to save the converted files. Once the settings are done, click on the Export button to convert NSF file to MBOX. The software start the conversion process after clicking on the Export button. Once the conversion is completed, click on the OK button. Once the export process is complete, you can view all your files to the selected destination location. And that's it. Log on to the given product page for more detail and purchasing the product. For any queries, mail us to support@systoolsgroup.com. Thank you for watching.